In this video, I will show you how to save bookmarks as icons or logos only in Google Chrome browser. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome and navigate to the website you want to bookmark. Drag the URL from the address bar directly onto the bookmarks bar. Let's add some more websites. You can also click on star to create a bookmark. As you can see, it takes up a lot of space in the bookmarks bar. To reduce the space, we can only keep the logo of the website and remove the name of the site. To do that, right-click on any created bookmark and select Edit. In the Edit Bookmark window, delete the text in the name field, leaving it blank. Click Save. Your bookmark will now appear as just the icon. Let's do the same thing for other bookmarks as well. Now, if you want to add 100 bookmarks, you can follow these steps. Right-click on the bookmarks bar and select Add Folder. Then name your folder and click Save. Now drag the URL from the address bar directly onto the bookmarks folder. This way, you can add endless bookmarks without worrying about bookmark space. If you want to add multiple bookmarks for the same site and use emojis to differentiate or identify them, then follow these steps. Drag the URL from the address bar directly onto the bookmarks bar. Right-click on any created bookmark and select Edit. In the Edit Bookmark window, delete the text in the name field and paste the emoji. Click Save. By following these steps, you can efficiently organize your bookmarks while saving space on your bookmarks bar, making it visually cleaner and easier to navigate.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.